It will happen. It is happening. This is what I wanted to do and it is happening. This is my nature, what I am doing. Like, can we say it panic? Panic situation, what is on me right now? Or we can give it any another name. I mean, it's not depression. When I started this vlog session, I think there were other things on my mind, but now it's going in the other direction, and it's not good thing. I mean, if I have any problems, I should keep it in my mind, not to share with you. This vlog is not of it. This vlog shouldn't be consist on my problems. There are plenty of things around me that we can discuss, like that crow, like that beautiful butterfly, and that one crow too. I'm looking, you guys can't look because camera is on me. But if any crow comes near me, then I will definitely show you. It's something very toxic. Toxic in the sense of if it bites, then it hurts. It's toxic in that sense. Sorry. Yes, this one. I hope you saw it. If you didn't saw it, I will show you. I will show you any other time when it comes near me. That were gone there too. Well, sorry, guys, guys, this kind of vlogs. I mean, those people who do vlogs, they put very much interest. I mean, if you guys watching, you will keep watching it. But what I am doing, what I could tell you, what I could tell you. This wall. Let me check if this is wall or something. Yes, I can say that this is wall. I mean, if there is any psychologist out there, can that psychologist tell? I mean, yes, it can definitely tell because it knows a human nature. What is problem with me? I already told you that I shouldn't discuss my problems. I mean, butterfly is coming very near me. Yes, did you see? Gone. It's there. It's exploring things. That toxic creature, another one, came and gone. My camera is not that. I hope it captured that shot, but it happened that it didn't capture that shot. Well, I shouldn't feel that way. I should tell you what I am talking about. I'm talking about my boss and business. And there is something that I feeling on that way, but I shouldn't feel on that way. I am very greedy when it comes to take credit. Butterfly and that, what I mentioned, toxic creature, comes and then they goes. There are two butterflies. I mean, I should move on from butterfly and toxic creature topic. Now I'm thinking, what do people do in vlogs that I should do to make it more viral? Crow is there, but it's not very close. Okay, I should zoom. I can zoom, but if I zoomed it, it will be blur. So we should skip it. What do you like about me? I mean, if some of you guys are continuously watching my vlogs from previous days, what you think of me? I mean, your time is also very important. If you are here, why you are here? ANT, aunt, no one, it's one, was like the cats care about themselves. The same way that aunt were doing. And now that aunt did what 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 that aunt wanted to did, and now it's moving and going somewhere. It's time for me to finish this vlog. Bye bye. We will meet again tomorrow.